Mom sent me a video today. I was up kind of late last night, so we got tornado warnings today. And boom, 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 boom. I guess it's a thunder or whatever, but I can't sleep no more. The power didn't go off, but the cicadas at my mom's house are still singing, even with tornado warnings. Those things are crazy.
Today is Thursday, May the 9th, 2024. And yesterday and last night and early this morning, we had a rain you wouldn't believe. Heavy rain, lightning and thunder and tornado warnings. But this morning everything's clear. It's still wet. And I checked out the cicadas and you hear them. They are really here. The rain didn't bother them. But before it rained, I noticed I didn't hear them. So they knew the rain was coming somehow. But they're loud and having their usual convention this morning. And this normally goes on all day long. Let you listen to them a little bit. So water's dripping from the trees here, and most of the noise seems to be coming from the same direction as I usually indicate right there. But you can hear them in the front yard or the backyard. They're everywhere. So have a beautiful day today. We had liquid sunshine, but maybe that'll sort of let up about 2 o'clock, I think. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day and thank the Lord for wonderful blessings. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.